new labelm men's range is an essential collection for modern classic barbering and men's hairdressing. It's been in development for the past 1 year by Sasha Mascolo Tabak and the Tony and Guy artistic team to create contemporary shapes and textures. The labelmen thickening tonic is a very light spray lotion. Spray into your hair from wet. Once you spray the products all over, you're gonna blow dry with the hair dryer, bringing all the hair forward and try to push it into the face, and then from there start to manipulate the front, sweep it slightly to the side, or even bring it all forward in texture.